For the campus tree tour, I researched pin oak. Fisher has a wide variety of different trees located all over campus. The pin oak I looked at is located between the Kearney Steps and the Lavery Library. The pin oak has the scientific name Quercus palustris, or also known as the swamp Spanish oak. Oak trees are very common in New York. While the northern red oak is the most common oak species found in New York and its state parks, the pin oak is in the top 4, including the black oak and the scarlet oak, which are all part of the black oak family. Pin oaks are very popular in landscapes due to its ease of growth and fast growing rate. They can reach a fully mature size at 60 to 70 feet tall with a spread of 25 to 40 feet. They are fast-growing trees growing more than 2 feet a year. Pin oaks prefer to grow in areas of full sun but are tolerant to different conditions. They are able to grow in most types of acidic soils as well as heavy clay soil. They are also tolerant to the common flooding during winter and early spring that we experience in upstate New York. Pin oaks have a single trunk habit with many side branches coming out of it. The lower branches of the tree tend to be descending, the middle branches tend to grow horizontal to the tree, and the upper branches are ascending. The leaves of the pin oak are generally 3 to 6 inches long with bristled tips. There are typically 5 to 7 lobes on the leaf, which are the long part of the leaf that are sticking out. Pin oaks also have the wide circular sinuses between the lobes. This image I found was a good representation in showing the different shapes and sizes of the leaves as well as the different sizes of the acorns. The black oak group, which includes the red oaks, pin oaks, scarlet oaks, and black oaks, take 2 seasons to mature their acorns, which gives them the name of biennial oaks. This differs from the white oak group, which includes swamp white oaks, bur oaks, post oaks, and chestnut oaks, which have matured acorns in a single season and are called annual oaks. The immature acorns left on a bare tree after the leaves fall help to differentiate the black oak group. The red oak and pin oak can be differentiated in many different ways. To start, the red oaks are a large tree found as a major component of many forests in the eastern North America. They cover a large portion of the northeastern U.S. and Canada, while also extending down into the deep south. Pin oaks are considered the red oak of bottomland areas. Red oaks have larger leaves that have 7 to 11 lobes. They are broad and full with shallow sinuses between the lobes. Pin oaks have smaller leaves that have 5 to 7 lobes, and they have deep sinuses and narrow lobes. Red oaks have fewer branches but are larger and heavier. Their single trunk habit only extends to the point of major branching. The tree self-prunes, causing the mature trees to have few lower branches. Pin oaks have a large and heavy central trunk with many small side branches. The lower, middle, and upper branches all tend to grow in different directions. The dead lower branches tend to be retained for years since the tree does not self-prune like the red oak. The acorns of the red oaks are much larger than the pin oaks, while they both fit in the same black oak category, having biennial acorns that mature in 2 seasons. The bark of a red oak is much darker and has wide ridges on it. The pin oak bark of mature trees is light gray and brown, and the tree also looks much smoother, having more narrow ridges on it.